For this purpose of the video, we are running this unit without the protective covering. At no time should anyone ever perform this act without trained supervision. We are now going to start the unit. Turn your thermostat to your desired temp rise. Start with your switch 1. This switch 1 pulls in C1 and C4. C4 is your fan. C1 is your first stage of heating. We can now see that we're getting 31.1 amps. That looks good. Now we're going to go ahead and command for our second stage. Second stage, we're now seeing 61.2. Looking good. Now we're going to command stage 3. Stage 3. 76 amps. The total amount for this unit on constant running is 75 amps. At this time, we're going to shut the unit down, starting with our third stage, off. We can see it disengaged. Second stage, disengaged. First stage, disengaged. Now, turning our thermostat all the way down to 0. If the unit has been running long, it will need to cool down and the fan will continue to run and potentially cycle.